For over 20 years here at 5 Smooth Stones Audio Video, we've built a team of passionate young professionals that really enjoy helping families connect their digital lifestyle to their home. How do we do that? It's pretty simple. Through the technology that we build into the home, and that would include things like your home network, your Wi-Fi systems, which is basically the foundation that all the technology, entertainment, and control systems will ride upon in your home. So through the technology, through the security and life safety equipment, video doorbells, as well as the entertainment systems, TVs, music throughout the home, both inside and out. We just really get a kick and we get emotional about helping people connect their digital lifestyle to their home to make their homes easy, engaging, and entertaining, no matter what they're doing at home.
Anyone coming in, usually coming in to do a design consult with us is usually building with one of our preferred builders, our partner builders, and we've worked very closely with these builders to develop a basic standard package that encompasses a lot of their basic needs for the house.
For new construction, we'll just go room by room. I want to listen to them and kind of see if they already have some ideas, and I'll kind of follow their lead. Some people come in totally blind and I'll say, okay, well, let's walk through. Here's all the things that we can do in the house. You know, some of it people can take it or leave it, and some people are, you know, some of the things they're really interested in.
Well, think about, you know, what type of technology you're currently using in your house, what types of things you might consider using in a handful of years. You know, think about what devices you're using on a regular basis and how that kind of impacts the whole system. You know, Wi-Fi is a critical one, making sure the houses are prepped for Wi-Fi, as well as, you know, surround sound if they want that type of thing. During new construction is kind of the time to address those types of systems. Anything from just, you know, basic stuff for you know, prepping for TVs and TV mounting, all the way up to, you know, speakers in all your rooms and whole home automation systems with security cameras and doorbell cameras and automated lights and things like that. I mean, there's a little bit of technology for everybody. There's some things that, you know, it makes sense to start small. You know, not everybody needs to have a giant system right off the bat. A lot of times we try to promote systems that are modular, that you can kind of build upon as you grow in the house. The system can grow with you.
So them just coming ready, excited, knowing things like where TVs are going to be in their house. Do they want to have speakers? Do they want to do surround sound? How important is a security system and feeling secure? We'll have the floor plans, we'll have refreshments, everything's ready to go, and we just need them to come and be ready to have fun. Yeah, so once we finish up the consultation, we get together all of our project documents and send it over to the builder and to our side. When we come out to actually run the wire in the house, our guys we're the last phase before drywall actually goes in on the house. So our guys will come and they'll pull all the wire where it needs to go, put in all the panels, the plates, and things like that. We take great pride in how we run our wire. Instead of just tossing the wire across your rafters and your ceiling, everything that we run is very high and tight and neat. Something that not too many companies in this industry take pride in doing. We always welcome any homeowner or client who is building a house to come out, say hi to our technicians, shake their hands. We're ready there to give you a refresher on what you designed, what we're running in the house, explain anything that maybe they're not too clear on. We love it.
During the trim out phase, that's when, you know, we go and we install a lot of these components. So the speakers are going to go up, you know, cameras, stuff like that can all be mounted and aimed and assembled.
Turning on the security system and making sure that pretty much all of our wires are checking out, all the connections are good, and that you're ready to move in. When it comes to what we call a final stage, it's everything from installing TVs, activating security systems, setting you up with your own code, showing you how the system works, all the way into installing full lighting control in homes, home automation, making sure all these TVs and these devices that you have in the house that are what we call smart, making sure they work together. And one of the biggest things is making sure it's easy for you to use. It's intuitive and fun.
When our technicians install everything, when they're done, they're not just leaving, they want to make sure it's simple stuff like the remotes are programmed correctly, that the folks have the right apps on their phone, that they're set up with the right accounts, that they see the full ability that, for all their technology, that they're using their TVs correctly, that they're using their security correctly. These days with security, we call it smart security. There's a lot of things you can do beyond just a burglar alarm, but if people don't know unless you kind of explain that to them. So we always allocate a couple hours at least, to say, hey, here's the system you have, here's how it was meant to operate.
As far as service or questions, that's what we're here for. We're here from anything from full service to just stopping by to make sure everything's working great and make sure you're still enjoying your system.
We are a small company, we're local, family owned, and we really care about the people that we meet. We're not interested in giving people things or selling people things that they don't necessarily need. We just want to make sure your home is comfortable for you and that you're aware of the potential, what you could have in the house and kind of what we can accomplish and what we can help you with. People are moving in these new houses. We get to make them safe. We get to make them fun. We love to install a great system and then hear from these people afterwards, say, hey, look, everything's working awesome. Everybody loves our house. They love coming over and checking out our technology and that type of thing. So it's really fun to kind of curate a system per customer, depending on what their needs are.